Nagarjuna. I am studying is LKG. My school name is Felmina's Groups of Institution in Chandapura.
ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಕುವೆಂಪು, ದಾದಾ ಭೀಮ್ಸೆ, ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಕಾರಂತ್, ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್, ವಿ.ಕೆ. ಗೋಕಾಕ್, ವಿ. ಅನಂತಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬಾರ.
ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್.
National festivals. January 26, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14, Children's Day.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
10 Mukya Upanishads.
10 Upanishads: Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundakya Upanishad, Aitanya Upanishad, Chandakya Upanishad, Dhananaka Upanishad, Dashatara Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Ramana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Oceania.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean.
Presidents of India.
Presidents of India: Rajendra Prasad, Radhi Radhakrishna, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri, V.D. Jatti, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, Chandraya Sharma, Ravan Savan, Venkatraman, K.R. Narayan, J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Jalasin, Draupadi Murmu.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
States in Karnataka.
This is in Karnataka:
Bagalkot,
Bellary, Venus, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Harbour, Belgavi, Shavrashnagara, Chikkabellappura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveri, Tamil, Kodagu, Kola, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Kamagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijayapura, Yadgiri.
7 wonders of what?
7 wonders of what? Taj Mahal, Kishnu Iranda, Petrozaga, Great Wall of China, the Roman Colosseum, Machu Picchu, Chichen Itza.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Rukabai Deshmukh, Arun Asaf Ali, Sutat Tankipoli, Kiturani Chandama, Keladi Chandama, Aneke Okama, Vijay Lakshmi Pandey, Sarojini Naidu, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai.
7 colors in rainbow.
Salakalanka rainbow, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Santali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujailal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Tatse, Chandrasekhar, V.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Nima Kumar Gujjar, Namaste, Narendra Modi.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Asanta Rutu, Neshwara Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu Nurama, Chaitra, Vashaka, Neshna, Ashara, Savana, Vadavada, Ashaija, Kartika, Marashra, Prusha, Maga, Palguna.
Most popular international airports in India.
Most popular international airports in India: Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi; Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad; Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai; Chennai Airport, Chennai; Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka:
Pulikeshi.
Pulkeshi, Krishna Devaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavasha, Madakai Nayaka, Kitulani Chandama, Akka Bukka, Jaya Shavaraja Odega, Kempegowda.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against exploitation, rights to freedom of religion, cultural and education rights, rights to constitution remedies.
And dynasties.
Indian dynasty: Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Hoysala dynasties, Maurya dynasties, Pallava dynasties, Gupta dynasties, Rashtrapata dynasties, Mughal dynasties, Vijayanagara dynasties, Vardhan dynasties.
9 union territories.
9 union territories: Chandigarh, Tamil Dadra Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: C.V. Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Jagadish Chandra Bose, Meghna Saha, and Visvesvaraya, Satyendra Bose, Subramania Chandrasekhar, Vikram Sarabhai, Anup Kulkarni, APJ Abdul Kalam.
National symbols. Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhiji.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Lion capitals.
National flag.
Tricolor flag.
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National fruit.
Mango.
National bird.
Peacock.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National language.
Hindi.
National calendar.
Saka calendar.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National tree.
Garden tree.
National river.
Ganga.
National game.
Hockey.
National currency.
Rupees.
National flag color.
Saffron, white and green.
Countries and capitals. Afghanistan.
Kabul.
Argentina.
Buenos Aires.
Australia.
Canberra.
Austria,
Venus,
Bangladesh,
Dhaka,
Belgium,
Lugels,
Bhutan,
Timpo,
Brazil,
Lugels,
Bulgaria,
Sofia,
Canada,
Ottawa,
Chile,
Santiago,
China,
Beijing,
Colombia,
Bogota,
Denmark,
Copenhagen,
Dominican Republic,
Santo Domingo,
Egypt,
Cairo,
Finland,
Helsinki,
France,
Paris,
Germany,
Berlin,
Greece,
Athens,
Hungary,
Budapest,
India,
New Delhi,
Indonesia,
Jakarta,
Iran,
Tehran,
Iraq,
Baghdad,
Thailand,
Dublin,
Israel,
Jerusalem,
Italy,
Rome,
Jamaica,
Kingston,
Japan,
Tokyo,
Kenya,
Nairobi,
North Korea,
Pinga,
South Korea,
Seoul,
Libya,
Tripoli. Thank you.